tinctures are a really popular way to consume CBD, and they're actually preferred by most Relief Scout customers. What's great about them is that it has a pretty quick onset, but also long-lasting effects. The way that you use a CBD tincture is that you put the oil within a dropper or a pipette and put it under your tongue. Let it sit there for about 60 to 90 seconds and then swallow. You have a lot of receptors under your tongue that allow your body to easily absorb the CBD that's within the product you're consuming. Now, one thing to note about tincture is that it can be very bold and earthy in flavor that some people don't really like. What you can potentially find are tinctures that are actually flavored, like peppermint, for instance, or if you're interested in mellowing out the flavor, you can put it in something like a smoothie. Tinctures are definitely preferred most by Relief Scout customers for a couple of reasons. One, it's got a really good bang for your buck, and two, it's easy to measure and play around with the dosage to find out what's best for you. Lazarus Naturals is a company that's based out of Seattle, Washington and Portland, Oregon, and they source all of their hemp from certified organic farms throughout the United States. They maintain good manufacturing practices certification, and all of their products pass third-party lab tests. You can take a look at all of the COAs with the corresponding product images in the Relief Scout store. They're currently a member of the U.S. Hemp Roundtable, and they're a really great socially responsible organization that gives back to veterans. Lazarus Naturals 900mg CBD bottle comes in a 2-ounce bottle, so this will typically last you around 45 to 60 days depending on your dosage, and it's got a really nice balanced terpene profile that really work well for soothing, relaxing, and uplifting effects. And based on our data, the folks that have used this through the Relief Scout website have actually been using 80% of the time before bed. They find it helps really well to wind down at the end of the day. Lazarus Natural products especially have a really great bang for your buck, and they're very healthy. They pass all third-party analysis, and you can see all of the certificates of analysis with the corresponding product images in the store.